Okay.
Like, what's going on? Okay.
Like, all right. So I'm not getting a lot of questions right now. Let me see. Wait, I just got one. Let's see. Somebody said palms are required on all of our projects.
Yep. I did want to say something too, Bruce. I would just say
Yeah,
for people that want to, and I didn't mention it earlier, if people want to practice with STIGs, just learn stuff about DoD and just get access to free training, go on cyber.mil. It's a free website anybody can access. I just want to make sure people can check that out too. Because you can download STIG Viewer, STIGs, things like that on that website. And you don't have to
absolutely.
have a cat card to get
Yep.
access to it.
Yeah, I made a video about a year or so ago where I downloaded the STIG viewfinder. I downloaded a STIG viewer, and then I actually was walking through how to implement a STIG. So you can do that at home. Like you can set up a system, set up a virtual environment, or have your computer there, download STIGs from cyber.mil, as Chris said, they have a couple of tools that you can use. One's called STIG Viewer, and there's another one where it actually will implement the security features
That
called,
tool.
I think so. Yeah, I can't, off the top of my head, I can't remember what it is. Anyway, they got tools there that you can mess around with the STIGs and actually implement them. And then that's another thing that you could say, I'm familiar with it. I've done 3 or 4 of them. If once you get into that interview,